Hi viewers, thank you again for coming to my channel. Let's make sure we are warming up our hands really well and bring them over the eyes. Feel the warmth as you breathe in and out and feel the eyelid relax. Breathing deeply and softly, move your eyes in a circular motion behind the palm of our hands. The next few movements are called qigong massage. Qigong is a natural form of self-healing energy cultivation that comes from ancient China. Place your index finger close to the upper eyelid's top center point and begin massaging it as you go in circles. Do it gently and slowly in a circular motion. Now, the lower center part of the eyelid. People have been doing pressure points and exercises to naturally heal their bodies for thousands of years. Massage right above the center point of the eyes. Doing this Qigong eye massage every day not only lifts the eyelid, but also improves our vision significantly. Massage the outer upper corner of the eyelid. Now massage the inner side of the upper eyelid next to the nose bridge. Keep going, you're doing great. Squeeze the eyebrows as hard as you can. Apply oil for the next few movements if you like, but you don't have to. Glide and smooth out outward from the center of the forehead. This also removes and prevents those stubborn 11 lines. Press down the 2 points at the inner brows. Now glide up the lids over and under the eyes. Let's do both sides to save time. Many of you are writing to share your wonderful experiences and how my videos are significantly changing the way you look. I sincerely appreciate you sharing your fantastic outcomes. Smooth out those crow's feet. Now, after smoothing out the crow's feet, drain it all the way down to the clavicle bones. Massage here to calm it down and relax. Using the soft side of the index finger, glide and smooth it outward. Using the same soft side of the index finger, and glide outward toward the hairline to prevent eye bags. Gently do the raindrop massage here. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!